This is Ben's stuff. Yay!
Hey YouTubers.
Yeah, hi.
Hey Ben.
Yeah.
What do we got down here?
We got another robot.
Yeah. We got this one.
I forget the name.
His name is Roboquad.
Quad.
Quad.
Yep.
You know what quad is for?
No.
Four legs.
Quad.
Yeah.
So let's see what he does.
You can turn them on?
There's a on and off switch here. You switch it to this side.
Okay, give her. All right, that's cool. So that's pretty cool that he turned on like that.
Let's do the dancing, which is demo.
First, let's say where we got it from. So we got it from some guy named Daniel. He just gave it to us.
Daniel.
Yeah, he knows we like robots. So he's like, here. He's like, take this Roboquad off my hands. He's like, I'm done playing with it. He's like, you love robots, you play with it.
Now let's do demo. Demo is dancing.
Let's show the remote.
There's a lot of stuff on
There's a
it.
lot of stuff on that, yeah. Just
So
like your Robosapien, right?
So here's demo dancing.
All right, let's check them out.
I like that.
We got some pretty cool lights.
And I'm going to do the roaming one for last.
The what one? The roaming?
Yeah.
Okay, show what else you can do. Hit all the other buttons.
So let's do this thing right here.
What does that do? What does it do?
It
Who
does-
knows?
Yeah, who knows?
You don't know?
Maybe it does let some go to sleep.
Now there's angry buttons on there too, right? So here, just show the remote. Yeah. So red, I'm gonna guess, is angry. Green is happy.
Mm.
And the yellow one's like, I'm okay.
All the
Oh, this guy's super angry now. You better go to sleep with one eye open. This
I
guy's
just
coming
hurt my
after you.
knee. I just hurt my knee.
Uh-oh, man down. All right, what happens if you hit the buttons now? Nothing?
What? What now? So let's do that green.
Oh. What's that thing on top of his head there? That little black dot.
This is the sensor for when it's nighttime.
Oh, okay. We'll put him on roam. See what happens.
You sure?
Yeah.
This is the button to roam. Right there.
Hang on. Okay. Give it. Now, who makes this one? I believe it's WowWee makes this as well, right?
We have to turn them off and turn them back on because it's so I guess this button, if you press any other buttons, you won't be able to press any. It won't do anything.
Really?
Yeah. So let's do roam button.
Uh-oh. Now, can he go in the carpet?
Yeah, but it's wasting batteries here, so I don't want to go on the carpet because, it's wasting batteries,
Well, it's harder for him to move in the carpet?
Yeah, so you want to see this cool move?
Sure. Oh. It's like he's got like a sore leg and he can't walk on it.
So he's actually moving forward.
Can he move backwards?
Let's do the backwards mode.
That's it? Oh. Look, he's looking sideways.
Yeah. I wish there was a reset button on here, but there's not.
You can control the way he goes, though,
Wait,
can't
this
you?
is the reset button.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Which one?
This one right here. So if you stop like that and you press the P with the triangle,
Yeah.
resets.
Oh, that's good to know. Can you walk him around, though? Oh, look, he's got a cool red button on the side. Oh,
That means whatever.
does that mean he's angry?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
He's scanning. Let's do this. Forward button.
And you say he has a roaming feature, right? So he can just walk around?
He can just walk around here.
Cool.
So,
Ben, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a Ben Stuff shirt.
What? Ben Stuff. That's a pretty cool shirt.
Yeah.
Right? We just had that made today.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it?
Like this day in this video.
Yeah, today in this video. All right, what else can you do?
I'm going to show the feature again. I'm going to reset it.
Before he does the roaming?
So let's do the roaming then. And then we're going to do the reset.
Oh my goodness. He's going to shoot missiles.
Demo.
Does he have lasers?
No.
Looks like he does. What you trying to do?
Ready?
Yeah. You gonna make him dance? Are you controlling him?
Yeah.
You are, yeah. What are you trying to get him to do? Just try to get him to walk? Uh-oh. I think he found me. I don't know, that thing's pretty cool. He almost looks like the Robosapien. Let's get him down too at the same time. Where is he? He's up here.
We just want to keep filming the Roboquad.
So, like, he's got the same style to him, like the black and white.
Let's turn this guy for a sec.
They're buddies. And I think this guy goes good with him too.
They're all the same company.
Yeah. Look at
So
them. They're all
they're-
like the same type.
They're all the same style except the dinosaur, and the dinosaur broke his back, just so you know.
Why? What happened?
Because remember that other
Oh,
video, he fell on the carpet?
Yeah, yeah. And that's what caused it to break?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, the top.
Look at, and they got more. They seem to all be black and white. Let's see here.
And today on this video, it was raining like blasting hot.
Oh no. What's going on down there?
Hold down again, boy.
So look at that. So we got
So, wait a second. Let's turn all of them on at once.
get your earplugs. Didn't we do this last time and it was super loud?
Yeah, it was blasting loud. I don't know if you guys are watching this video. The video where it was blasting loud, it might not be blasting for you, but in real life, it's blasting.
At least they get to turn down the volume at home with their speakers.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't. We can't turn down the robots. They're just loud.
Dude, that's blasting loud like a speaker, like a blasting loud
Yeah.
airplane.
How many times are you going to say blasting?
Airplane!
Oh,
It's a
airplane.
blasting airplane.
A blasting airplane.
The eyes are cool on that one.
Yeah, they're not loud though.
Okay, now it's really loud.
Is he on? Robosapien's not on. The big guy? Uh-oh.
He's ready to fight this guy.
Rosebud.
They're on low mode, but not that guy.
Look at this guy over here. He's like, I want to get away. It's too loud. Oh. Look at the spider. He's like, who's this guy? He's checking him out. Is he scanning him?
Yeah.
Oh, is he going to attack? I thought he was going to attack him.
This guy says, making nerves.
Can you get the dinosaur to move? You got to make loud noises, right?
No, you have to press the sensor there.
What's he doing?
The dinosaur is going after.
Oh, he ran him over. He's like, get out of my way.
We're gonna move this back.
Oh.
He said yes.
Yeah, he's checking it out now. This is your video, Roboquad. You better do something cool.
Yeah.
He's just sitting there. He's camera shy.
Yeah. Guys.
Yeah. What was that? Even Roboquad's like, what's going on?
And just so you know, guys, we might make a video of a real version of this guy if we can.
Yeah. So if anybody knows where we can find the big one of that, of what is it? Robosapien version 2?
V2.
V2, yeah. We can't find that one. He's the one that has like the cool claws here on the side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We found one, but it didn't have a remote.
Robosapien's like, that's all my babies.
Yeah. My babies are running away. Did you just bump into him?
Yeah.
Oh. He's like, what's that smell?
This is a
Scanning. Oh.
Backfeed.
Oh, he's
Backfeed.
right in your eyes.
Backfeed.
You better put your glasses on. You're blind.
Backfeed.
Betsy.
No.
Oh, look at this. Knocked them both down. The guy's on a rampage. He whacked him with his tail and they both fell down. Yeah, you tell him.
Backfeed.
Uh-oh.
Now he's really gonna get you.
Oh my goodness, he's after me.
He's like, I got those big guys.
You're going the wrong way. There you go.
He can get mad, but he's not attacking you.
Oh, look, he's staring him down. Is he gonna get him? Oh, here we go. Look out! Ooh, Strike.
He didn't even touch him. Ready? Subscribe on this video.
There's this guy only has like one red eye. The other one's out.
Like you can
Oh,
kind
there it
of
is.
see it.
Yeah. Maybe
It says running out of power. No, I'm just going to shut my eye off. I'm eye shy.
Is the spider stuck? Oh my goodness.
Oh my, that was so loud. It was like a bomb.
Oh, the big fight. Who's gonna win the battle?
Oh my gosh! Oh! That's the first time I ever saw that.
Yeah, he almost wiped out.
He was like right on. I even almost did it. What's that guy doing?
Yeah, they're doing the
His
dance.
feet is in the way.
Yeah, he's trying to sit on him.
I'll be on the neck.
He forced them to sit down.
Well, now it's really attack.
I like these guys. And a Robocod's
Yeah,
pretty cool.
Robosapiens, let's watching them.
Can you get him to move or hit the demo button for him so at least he can dance
Well, I
with
need
them?
the remote control.
Here, I'll get it for you.
You gotta make it red.
And this one.
Right.
Oh, maybe he's off.
No, that's a different one. But now you have to shut him off and turn it back on. Yeah, right.
He was off, right?
He was not off. You just press the rotten button.
Well, they're all dancing.
I'm joining.
It's a dance party. Yeah! Boop, 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 boop.
Austin's like, no.
This is a crazy dance party. Hey?
Wait a second here. Nope. Now it's a real dance party.
Where's your light thing?
What, like?
Do you have that round ball with the light on it? Sure. That's too bright.
You're standing up for real now.
That thing will make everything go blind. Oh, look, you can see a shadow on the door. Just go into it.
What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? Woo!
He's knocking on the door. He's like, let
Look
me
at that
in.
guy.
Let me in.
Honestly, probably heard that.
Roboquad.
Roboquad video.
Roboquad video.
How much time do we have left? What are you doing, Roboquad?
He doesn't know where to go. He's like, where'd all my friends come from?
He's like, why is that guy pushing me? Why is that guy
loving it.
pushing me? Why is that guy pushing me? This is probably the best video ever.
Is it? Top 10?
This guy's like, I'm out of here.
Yeah.
I'm out of here. I'm going into darkness.
I'm so tired.
I'm going into darkness. Well, this guy fell.
All right, so Roboquad's cool.
Roboquad's cool.
Welcome
and I
to the
hope they
family,
make-
Roboquad.
I hope they make a new video, and we're going to make a new video one more day. And also subscribe.
Yeah.
Hit the notification bell and hit a like on every single video we make.
Everyone.
Every single one.
All right. Bye, Ben.
Bye.